I'm curious, what happens when you combine flowing waves, bold colors, and a little experimentation? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Art of Yay on Me. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. Today we'll be using the colors blue, yellow, and white, and oranges to create a painting full of movement and energy. One of the things I enjoy most about fluid art is discovering new ways to move paint. Sometimes a small change in technique can create an entirely different result. Movement is one of the most important elements in fluid art. The way colors are placed and stretched across the canvas influence how the viewer's eye travels through the painting. For this piece, I'll be placing colors horizontally across the canvas rather than building from individual puddles. Next, I'll use tropical blue, white, and cerulean blue to create a wave-like pattern across the surface. Now the fun begins. Let's see what happens when these colors start to move. In a blow dryer, I push the paint out and allow the colors to blend naturally. Afterwards, I use a torch to pop any trapped air bubbles and help reveal more detail within the painting. And I repeat the process, adding another layer of movement with the same colors. To create a focal point, I use my fingers to guide the paint and draw attention towards the center of the composition. Finally, I use the blow dryer again to stretch the colors and create additional flow throughout the painting. Sometimes the best designs come from building layer upon layer. Each movement adds something new while still supporting the overall composition. White is often used to create separation and contrast in a painting. It helps brighter colors stand out while giving the eye place to rest. Yellow can also be used strategically. Even a small amount can bring attention to an area and help balance the overall design. Now everything is coming together. The blue create movement that feels almost like waves, while the oranges and yellow bring warmth and energy into the composition. The result is a painting that feels both dynamic and balanced. Don't be afraid to adjust your painting as it develops. Sometimes a composition needs a little more color, movement, or balance to bring everything together. One of the benefits of fluid art is that you're not locked into your first decision. If an area feels too quiet or unfinished, you can add more paint and continue working with it. A small adjustment can sometimes make a big difference in the final result. This is why I love fluid art. A simple change in technique can lead to an entirely different outcome. What do you see in this painting? Ocean waves, flowing energy, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed creating with me today, please like and subscribe. And remember, stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.